Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to clear all downloads in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the page. Select Downloads from the drop-down menu. Downloads window will open. Now click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of this window. Select Open Downloads page from the drop-down menu. All the files you have downloaded will be shown here. To delete individual download history, click the X icon next to the file. To delete all the download history at once, click the Clear All button at the top. Click on Remove All to confirm. As you can see, all the download history has been removed. Please note that only download history has been removed, but the files is still saved on your PC. To delete those files, click on Open Downloads folder. You can view all the downloaded files here. Select the files you want to delete and press the delete key on your keyboard. This is how you can clear all downloads in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching.